In this video, you will learn how to practice the bits with some tricks and to get 10 out of 10 points. I am saying 3 chapters. Now I am going to explain 3 chapters important bits of class 10 mathematics from AP and Telangana state boards. 1 to 3 chapters. They are real numbers, sets and polynomials. Hi, this is Madhu Babu. First chapter is real numbers. In the real numbers, I prepared some bits. The first one is find the numerical value of log tan 60 whole square base 3. This depends on logarithms and also trigonometry combined definition. Observe this. First of all, we have to know that the value of tan 60. Tan 60 value is, to solve this one, that is equals to log tan 60 value is root 3. So root 3 whole square base 3. So the value is log root 3 whole square means 3. 3 base 3. Log a base a. It is in the form of log a base a. So we will get 1. So this value is 1. So this is the way to do the bits. And let's go to second one. Express log 125 base 5 is equals to 3. This is the logarithmic form. Now we have to convert into exponential form. In exponential form, to remove log 125 is equals to after converting into exponential form, the base 5 is as it is. It will be base 5 and 3 will be power. So this is the exponential form of log 125 base 5 is equals to 3. The exponential form is 125 is equals to 5 cube. Next bit is, if log 27 base 3 is a root of a quadratic equation x square plus 5x plus p is equals to 0. This is the dependent on the logarithms. Log 27 base 3. Log 27 base 3 value, log 27 we can write as 3 cube. 3 cube base 3 as it is. Now it is in the form of log a power m. Log a power m is equals to m log a. So 3 log 3 base 3. Now it will be 3 into log a base a. Log a base a is equals to 1. So substitute 1. So this value finally log 27 base 3 value is 3. So indirectly 3 is a root of given quadratic equation. So we can substitute 3 in the place of x and we can get p value. So when substitute x is equals to 3. Log 27 base 3 is equals to 3. So x value is 3. Substitute in this equation 3 square plus 5 into 3 plus p is equals to 0. So 3 square value 9. 5 3s are 15 plus p is equals to 0. So 9 plus 15, 24 plus p is equals to 0. So p value is minus 24. So these are the very important bits and practice well. So finally p value is equals to minus 24. Fourth one is match the following. This is very easy, but in the options confused. Log xy. Log xy is equals to log x plus log y. So this option is D. Log x by y. Log x by y means log x minus log y, that is C. Log x power y. Log x power y means y log x, that is B. Log x base x log x base x, log a base a value is 1. So option A. So D, C, B, A in order. 1D, 2C, 3B, 4th A. So where is that option? 1B, 2C, 3B, 4th A. So option is C. So we can do these bits like this. Fifth bit is HCF of 50 and 60, that is equals to 50, 60 factors. 50 factors, 150s are 50, 225s are 50, 5 tens are 50. And come to the 60, HCF, highest common factor. These are the factors of 50, 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, 50. And come to the 60, 160 are 60, 2 30s are 60, 3 10s are 60, 20s are 60, 4 15s are 60, 5 12s are 60, 6 10s are 60. So the common factors are 1, 2, 5, 10. 1, 2, 5, 10. So in these common factors, the highest common factor is 10. So answer is 10. This is the one way. You can do in other way also. Division method. Divide 60 by 50. 50 table in 60 one time. 150s are 50. So the remainder is 10. Again you keep 50 here. 10 5s are 50. So the remainder is 0. So previous divisor before the remainder 0, the value is called HCF of the division. So by using this division method, we can get the HCF of 50 and 60 is 10. And we can do prime factorization method also. 50 prime factorization method. 50, 2 table, 25 times. Right. 5 table, 5 times. 5 table, 1 time. So 50 we can write as 2 power 1 into 5 square. 60 prime factorization method. 2 table, 30 times. 2 table 15 times, 3 table 5 times, 5 1. So 60 is equals to 2 square into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. HCF is the product of the least powers, the product of least power of each common factors. So the common factors are 2 and 5 here. In this 2 and 5, in this 2, what is the least power? 2 power 1. So 2 power 1 into. In the common factors only we have to see. In this common factors, in 5 square 5 power 1, least power is 5 power 1. So the result is 2 power 1 into 5 power 1 means 2 5s are 10. This is the way by using prime factorization method. Next one, the value of log root c base c is equals to root c means c power half. So log c power 1 by 2 base. It is in the form of log a power m base x, that is equals to m log a. So half log c base c. Log a base a. Log a base a is equals to 1. So half into 1, half. So the answer is half log root c base c. This is 2 power 2, 2 power 2 plus log 5 base 2. So it is in the form of a to the power of m plus n. So a to the power of m plus n is equals to a to the power of m into a to the power of n. By using this formula, you write this one that is 2 power 2 into 2 power log 5 base 2. Log 5 base 2. 2 power 2 means 4. It is in the form of a power log n base a, that is equals to n. This is the formula. A power log n to the base, same basis. So then the answer is 5. So 4 into 5, that value is 20. So the value of 2 power 2 plus log 5 base 2 is equals to 20. And expand form of log a square b cube c power 4 d power 5 f by d power 5 f power of 6. This is very easy. First of all, it is in the form of log a by b. So log a by b means log a minus log b. First you write like this: log a square b cube c power 4 minus log d power 5 f power 6. Again, it is in the form of log ab. Log ab means log a plus log b. So it will be log a square log b cube plus log c power 4 minus log d power 5 minus log f power of 6. Now these all are in the form of log a power m. Log a power m means m log a. So this is answer is 2 log a plus 3 log b 4 log c minus 5 log d minus 6 log f. 6 log f. So this is the answer. 2 log a plus, here only you can write, it is in the x by y, log x by y is equals to log x minus log y, log 2a plus log 3b plus log 4c, by means minus, so log 5d minus log 6f. This is the answer. So answer is 2 log a plus 3 log b plus 4 log c minus 5 log d minus 6 log f. 6 log f. Next bit is very important bit, that is if the HCF of 16 and 6 x, this is, we can write like this also, the HCF of 16 and x is equals to 8 and the LCM of 16 and x is 48. Then find the x value, that means second number. Here one formula is there, that is the product of two numbers. The product of two numbers is equals to their LCM and HCF. The product of LCM and HCF. This is the formula. So product of two numbers are 16 into x. Given two numbers are 16 and x. So product of means 16 into x is equals to their LCM 48, their HCF 8. So send 16 that side. 48 into 8 by 16. 16 table in 48, 3 times cancel, 3 8s. So x is equals to 24 answer. So next number is x value is 24. So the answer is option B. And in this whole chapter, the mathematician logarithms discovered by the mathematician John Napier. Logarithms discovered by John Napier. These are the some of important bits of the chapter 1. Next, go to the second chapter, that is sets. Let us discuss some important bits on that sets.